The 18th Lok Sabha will begin its first session on Monday, June 24th, with several important issues on the agenda. Key topics include the controversy over competitive examinations and the elections for the Speaker and Deputy Speaker. Here are 5 things to look forward to in the first session of the 18th Lok Sabha session. The opposition has criticized the BJP-led NDA government for not selecting K. Suresh, an 8-term Congress MP, as the pro-tem speaker. Instead, President Draupadi Murmu appointed Bhartruhari Mahtab, a 7-term BJP MP. The opposition, particularly the India Bloc, plans to reject roles offered to Suresh and 2 other opposition MPs to assist Mahtab. The Congress claims Suresh was overlooked due to his Dalit background. Initially, the India Bloc was open to a consensus on choosing the Speaker and Deputy Speaker, but the government's decision regarding the pro-tem Speaker has heightened tensions. The Speaker election is scheduled for June 26th. The first major issue for the new union government is alleged irregularities in the NEET UG and the cancelled UGC NET exams. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has stated that the government will face significant pressure from the opposition to address these paper leak issues. Over a year after a deadly triple train collision in Odisha involving the Coromandel Express, another accident occurred. The Sialdah-bound Kanchenjunga Express was hit by a goods train in West Bengal's Darjeeling district, resulting in 10 deaths and at least 40 injuries. Opposition leaders led by Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge are demanding answers from the government. It will be interesting to watch how the incumbent government will counter the opposition's attacks on the issue. The opposition plans to discuss the implementation of new criminal laws, the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam, and the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. 2 chief ministers from the India Bloc, Tamil Nadu's M.K. Stalin and West Bengal's Mamata Banerjee, have requested the centre to delay these laws. President Draupadi Murmu will deliver her first address to the 18th Lok Sabha on June 27th. This speech will outline the government's plans and priorities for the coming year.